How to fix Cash App not accepting my debit card? So there are so many ways you can fix this thing. You can start by restarting the app. If the Cash App doesn't appear to be working properly, the first thing to try is to close the app completely. Then start it again. Okay, so it can solve your problem. Then it can be internet connection issue. You can check your internet connection if you're having trouble connecting to Cash App. The Cash App needs to be able to go online, of course, either via Wi-Fi or your phone cellular service. Make sure you use a strong Wi-Fi or cellular signal in the status at the top of the phone's display. There is another way that you can solve this problem. You can clear the Cash App's data cache. For that, you have to go to settings, then app, and in the search bar you have to search for Cash App and then go to storage and cache and then tap clear cache. You can also clear the data of this Cash App in the storage and cache section. Okay, so you can also check your bank. Perhaps the problem isn't with the app not connecting properly. If you're having trouble completing a transaction, then the issue is more likely to be associated with your bank. Okay, so you might need to talk to your bank's customer support to authorize the Cash App or find out why you are having trouble with a transaction. If in doubt, call your bank. So these were some steps that you can avoid this problem, and yeah, thanks for watching.